All right, guys, we're at Middle Point Marina on the Miami River, and we are checking out a beautiful restoration right here where they're actually applying the Nasco World Wide Hull Maxx bottom coating on top of a traditional bottom paint. If you like this type of content, subscribe, share this with your friends. This is a revolutionary product you're going to want to see. Talking about the Nasco World Wide Hull Maxx clear bottom coating and how revolutionary it is, so much so that they're starting to hot coat it and apply it over top of the traditional bottom paint on sport fish like this. So as you can see, this gentleman here is applying a traditional blue bottom coat to this sport fish right here, and what we're going to do is actually apply the Hull Maxx while this product is still wet to take advantage of all the benefits of the Hull Maxx product.
A little bit goes a long ways.
Ron, Nasco World Wide. We've shown you earlier the process. So what we're doing right now, see, we're looking right now. See, it's still a little bit tacky right now. See, feels great right now. Nothing's coming off of my finger right now. So we're ready to now hot coat this.
More of the Hull Maxx product, considering this is more of a textured finish on the traditional bottom paint. So you do want to leave it thicker, and Ron, you mentioned about 30% more material, you'd say?
Yes, most definitely.
Traditional gel coat is a smooth, glossy finish. This is a slight different application, so you do want to leave enough material on there to make sure it works well.
Right now, so what I'm looking for now, we're going to step back an angle, we're looking at it right now, and you're looking at the sheen right now, so you see it's very glossy right now, so you can see it on it. That's what I'm looking for. I'm sitting back and looking for any flat, dry spots, and we're not seeing any of that. It's consistently glossy all the way across. Now I know I have a lot of product on here. I have enough product on here, so what I'm going to do now is with just a roller right here, the product's still nice and wet, I'm just going back through and overlapping by a good 50%, and I'm just rolling it back out beautifully. Any potential runs out, just evening it all out beautifully across. A nice one roll down at 50%, and we're just making sure we just have a really nice finish at the end.
There it is. That's the installation right there. It's as simple as that. What we're going to do, Ron, if correct me if I'm wrong, we're just going to let that dry for 24 hours,
yeah.
and then
we're good to go.
Good to go. So that's all it is. Simple application. It can be done by yourself at home, or you find a group of professionals like we have here at Middle Point Marina to get this stuff done.
Hi, we're back today. Yesterday, you guys got to see just how we did this transom and how beautiful it turned out. Look at how this 24 hours later, how beautiful this is. It's fully cured right now. It's beautiful. Let me show you over here. Look at this water, just how quick the water's coming out, just how quick it's just flowing off. You'll never see that with traditional bottom paint. Just how smooth and how quick my hands are running across this. The efficiency is gonna be crazy, how efficient this is gonna be. You guys are gonna see numbers, better fuel economy, better speed, also ease of cleaning on this. So you're now only going to be able to, your bottom cleaners are just going to be able just to take a white scrubby or a squeegee and be able to wipe off your hulls. Now this is a foul release, so you will see fouling, but it will release as you run the boat, or if you're mechanical, remove it with light scrubbing.
We're gonna create another video, hopefully on the boat, to show you the performance improvements, as well as go through all the additional improvements that you have by applying this over a traditional bottom coating.